Hello everyone. Well, it's Friday, so it must be time for our Friday fun and frolics. And once again, I'm delighted to say that we're joined by Graham on the bass, and this week we've put him centre stage so that you can gaze upon his loveliness. Well, this week's offering is the Galaxy Song. It comes from Monty Python's The Meaning of Life, and it was written by Eric Idle with his composer John Dupre back in 1981. But the version we're doing today is the updated version with amendments and additions, courtesy of the wonderful Professor Brian Cox. And this version dates from 2016, so that's really quite up to date for us. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. The Galaxy Song. Whenever life gets you down, Mrs. Brown, and things seem hard and tough, and people are stupid, obnoxious or daft, and you feel that you've had quite enough, just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving, revolving at 900 miles an hour, that's orbiting at 19 miles a second, so it's reckoned, the sun that is the source of all our power. The sun and you and me and all the stars that we can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm 200,000 miles an hour of a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Our galaxy itself contains 300 billion stars, some 90,000 light years side to side. It bulges in the middle, 16,000 light years thick, but out by us it's just 3,000 light years wide. We're 30,000 light years from a galactic central point. We go round every 200 million years, and our galaxy is only one of millions of billions in this amazing and expanding universe. Just remember, you're a tiny little person on a planet in a universe expanding and immense. But life began evolving and dissolving and resolving in the deep primordial oceans by the hydrothermal vents. Our Earth, which had its birth almost 5 billion years ago, from out of a collapsing cloud of gas, grew life which was quite new and eventually led to you in only 3.5 billion years or less. Deoxyribonucleic acid helps us replicate and randomly mutate from day to day. We left the seas and climbed the trees, and our biologies continue to evolve through DNA. We're 98.9% the same as chimpanzees, whose trees we left 3 million years ago to wander, swapping genes out of Africa, which means we're related to everyone we know. Life is quite strange, life is quite weird, life is really quite odd. Life from a star is far more bizarre than an old bearded bloke they call God. So gaze at the sky and start asking why you're even here on this ball. For though life is fraught, the answer's quite short. You're lucky to be here at all. Standing on a planet which is spinning round a star, one of just 1 billion trillion stars, in a universe that's 90 billion light years side to side, wondering what the heck is going on. You've a tiny little blink of life to try and understand what on earth is really going on. In biology and chemistry, which made you you and made me me, but don't ask me, I only sing the song. The universe itself keeps on expanding and expanding in all of the directions it can whiz, as fast as it can go at the speed of light, you know, 12 million miles a minute, and that's the fastest speed there is. So remember when you're feeling very small and insecure, how amazingly unlikely is your birth, and pray that there's intelligent life somewhere up in space, 'cause there's bugger all down here on Earth. There you go. It's a lot of fun, and I'm given to understand that every statistic and number and fact in the song is accurate and true. So there. Well, that's it for this week. We'll have more for you next week, and in between, look out for our play-along tutorial song, which we'll be putting online any day now. And until then, well, you know what to do. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and be kind to each other. Say goodbye, Graham.
Goodbye, everybody.
Pam.
Bye-bye.
And we'll see you next week. You take care. Bye for now.